G'day, I'm Trev. I've been in the building industry for at least the last 15 years, and I came across the SILKY tools through SILKY saws, through seminar, and I was very impressed. Always looking for a way to do things better, so if I can find a product that will do the job for me better and more efficiently, then obviously premium products are what I'm looking for. Okay, now, as far as the saw goes, they are different to your standard woodworking saws because they work on the pull stroke. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you do master that and stop thinking about concentrating on the action, they're actually very efficient. They cut better, they also produce a superior cut, and obviously saws like this can carry it with you. Because of the way that the teeth are actually set up, you can use them for both cross-cutting and rip sawing. Okay? Whereas other saws, basically, when it comes to trying to rip a piece of timber, if they've got finer teeth, then obviously it becomes quite difficult. These seem to handle cutting in both directions.